Alright guys, thanks for joining in. So today we're going to be going on a little adventure. If you're in LA, this is only about 2 hours away from Los Angeles, and we're going to go to a really dark, remote area where there's not a lot of city lights and it's also not cloudy, so you're going to get some good views. We like to go to this place when there's either eclipses or some shooting stars, but we're basically checking out a eclipse today. It's actually called a superpower. I don't even know what it's called. What is it called, babe?
Super flower blood moon.
Super flower blood moon eclipse. So it's going to be an orange. Since it's a blood moon eclipse, it's going to be orangey, and it's a super moon, so it's definitely going to be a large moon. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to get to this spot to check it out. We're going to go ahead and stop by, pick up some sushi, put the fridge to use since we got a fridge, and really take advantage of having that luxury while we're out on the road. We're also going to be taking some photos along with checking out the eclipse. My wife just made some hats, so we're going to be dropping that soon. So if you're interested, make sure you guys, interested for your wives, make sure you guys check out the link below. And again, thanks for the support, and I hope you guys would like the spot. We're going to drop a link below with the coordinates, and thanks for joining in. So this is where we ended up stopping at. Hi, babe. There's Bear. And the moon should be rising right here, giving us a perfect view from our rooftop tent.